What happens when we die? This is one of the biggest questions we all face. Yeshua said, "My Father is greater than I." John 14:28. He did not claim to be the Father. He came to do the Father's will. Just as Yahweh chose David and placed his Spirit upon him, so the Father anointed Yeshua and gave him authority. And when the righteous die, they do not go to heaven yet. Scripture says they sleep, resting until the day of resurrection. And all who have died in faith rest in this silence. The Scriptures say, the dead know nothing. They sleep, waiting for the day when the Messiah calls them to rise. But when the Messiah returns, the dead in him will be the first to rise. The sleep of death will end at the sound of his voice. Not one rises before another. We rise together, one body, one people, called by the same hope. And then we will meet Yeshua in the air. This is the promise. This is our hope. This is the resurrection.